Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to configure your junk mail on Outlook. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the settings or gear icon on Outlook on the top right. After that, the settings menu will appear. You can actually click on the mail section as see from here and then navigate to junk email. After that, from here you will see all the junk email settings. You can actually change all the settings from here, but mostly the most needed section is the senders section. From here you will have three options: safe senders and domains, blocked senders and domains, and safe mailing lists. From here you can add a safe sender, so this email will be actually trusted every time he sends an email. You can add any email you trust right here. Also, you can add blocked senders and domains. Any domain or sender that you want to block, you can add his email or domain right here, so none of these emails will actually make it through to your email list. It will all go to the junk emails. By clicking on junk email section as see from here, you can see all the junk emails that you have. Make sure that you read these emails and review it weekly because it will be deleted after 30 days, and if there was any legitimate email that you don't want to delete or don't want to be sent to the junk email, then it will be deleted after 30 days, so make sure to review it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.